Hello and welcome back to Fit and Loving. Did you know, due to their looks which is wrinkled, walnuts have been called the brain food? Walnuts offer many health advantages that are proven by research and crucial nutrients in addition to their satisfying crunch. Healthy fats, fibers, vitamins and minerals are just few of the ways that walnuts may benefit your health. These nutrient powerhouses help prevent the brain as you age and even slow the spread of cancer. Here are few of the best advantages of this excellent tree nut. Before I start, I would highly appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 1. Omega-3 levels in walnuts are significantly higher. Omega-3, since it's an important fat, you must consume it in your diet. Alpha-linolenic acid ALA, a form of omega-3 fatty acids that help decrease the blood pressure and protect arteries, is high in walnuts. Walnuts are a strong source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids which may help lower the risk of heart disease. Number 2. A healthy gut is promoted by walnuts. Walnuts are high in fiber. As a result, they aid in cleansing the digestive system and help in detoxification. According to the study, the bioactive chemicals in walnuts may significantly influence how the gastrointestinal environment affects the course of disease. One method to promote the health of your microbiota and intestines is by eating walnuts. Walnuts not only feed you, but they also feed good bacteria to your stomach. This supports intestinal health and may lessen the risk of illness. Number 3. Walnuts have a lot of antioxidants. Antioxidants from walnuts are the great source of protecting your body from the reactive oxygen species. You can get additional nutrients from 1 ounce of walnuts such as magnesium, potassium, iron, calcium, sodium and B vitamins. Vitamin E, melatonin and plant chemicals called polyphenols, which are rich in thin coating of walnuts, all contribute to this function. Number 4. Walnuts protect against cancer. Cancer risk can be reduced by eating walnuts. They include a lot of antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which have been shown to prevent cancer. A growing body of research suggests that walnuts may help prevent cancer through their possible combinations of many chemicals. Walnuts antioxidants may lower your chance of developing some cancers such as breast, prostate, and bowel cancer. To confirm this, more research on human is necessary. Number 5. Walnuts promote healthy brain function. Several studies have shown the advantages of walnuts for brain function. The fact that the walnut shell is like a tiny brain may just be a coincidence, but nutrients in the nut may help guard against inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. Eating walnuts have been associated with improved brain function in older person, including quicker processing times, more mental flexibility, and improved memory. Nutrients found in walnuts may help prevent the inflammation from harming your brain and maintain healthy brain function as you age. Number 6. Walnuts may help with controlling type 2 diabetes and lowering blood pressure. A few studies show that eating walnuts may help decrease blood pressure, especially in the persons with high blood pressure and healthy people under stress. Furthermore, eating walnuts may help manage blood sugar through process outside its impacts on the weight control. Eating walnuts may help you manage type 2 diabetes and lower your chances of developing a condition since they may help you manage your weight. Walnuts may also have an immediate impact on the blood sugar regulation. 1 ounce of nuts, such as walnuts, should be consumed every day as a part of heart-healthy diet, according to research. The bottom line, walnuts are extremely nutrient-dense nuts. This extensive nutritional profile helps explain why walnuts provide so much health advantages, including less inflammation and better risk factors for heart disease. We now have a good reason to incorporate walnuts into our meals on a regular basis and possibly flavor them over other nuts, according to researchers accessing previous studies on health advantages of walnuts. Friends, if you find this video to be informative, give this video a thumbs up button and share this video with your friends and family. I'll say goodbye for now. Until we meet again to discuss about the next interesting topic, keep yourself healthy and active. You can also help us by becoming a subscriber.